Dear friend, you are welcome to the channel. In the series of Law of Human Right, our topic for today is International Convention on Economical, Social and Cultural Right, ICESCR. So many students has written comments that they are finding difficulty to learn all these 15 human right in logical way, and we have made this video very simple with pictorial logic so that it become easier for such students those are studying human right law. So let us quickly see overview and then we will see each and every right one by one. So this ICESCR was ratified by United Nations General Assembly on 16 December 1966, and it was came into entry into force on 3rd January 1976. It has total 31 article, and article 1 to 15 are related to human right, and remaining articles are related to administrative and ratification procedures. So after seeing overview, let us see how we can in simple way learn all these 15 rights. Those are basically human right under this convention. The first one, as usual, you can see three arrow direction. The first right is always right to choose, or right to choose, or self-determination. Self-determination meaning nothing but right to choose. Article 1. Let us see Article 2. Article so since this convention is not mandatory to the government, so Article 2 say that state will put all the efforts to promote these rights. So under Article 2, it is made obligation on state government to promote these rights. And then Article 3 as usual say there is no discrimination between men and women for these articles on any ground. All men and women are equal, can utilize, can achieve these all economic, social and cultural right. The fourth one is, if state want to put any restriction on these rights, this should be reasonable and this should be based upon need of public welfare only. The interest of public only you state can put reasonable restriction. For example, like right to speech can be restricted considering the public peace. There should be no public disorder. Then reasonable restriction can be put. So similarly, no, all others right can have a reasonable restriction based upon requirement of public welfare. The fifth, you see, all rights are having corresponding duty, and the individual or group should not misuse or abuse these rights. So fifth one is right not to be derogated or misused by anybody. So we have seen five right. Let us see the next 6 to 10. Now the real rights comes. So this is economical, social and cultural right, and it will go in same order. Picture tells you work. So right to work. So under Article 6, every person has right to work or right to choose employment of his or her choice under Article 6. What should be the next after Article 6? You cannot keep doing work always. You need rest or holiday also. True. The Article 7 tells about right to leave or right to paid holiday under Article 7. Okay, and it may so happen that the person may not be getting proper salary for his work or proper leave also. Then Article 8 empower to have right to form association or union so that you can get your basis, your leave and your proper welfare, proper compensation by using Article 8 to make union. So we have seen this. Now it is state obligation to have insurance coverage like PF, gratuity, ESI, etc. You might have seen for employee in India. So this is obligation on state to have social security. Social security is nothing but insurance coverage of citizen, right to social security under Article 9. Let us see now 10. Yes, so we talk most of the things up to 9 on individual basis. Now this picture say about family. The individual will have right to have family, and family being very important unit of the society must be protected by law of the state under Article 10. So we have 5 more article in this slide. So we have seen right to family. Let us see, we will have children also. We have complete family unit. This is very very important right, which say that those are the earning member. Yes, they may have their livelihood, but everybody should have food. So this is talk about right to food or freedom from hunger under Article 11. So after food, the next thing is you should have proper health. So Article 11, 12 talk about right to health, and right to health include both mental as well as physical health and adequate standard of living so that health can be preserved and maintained under Article 12. So if you have health, then what is next? Then you should read something. Right to education. So a lot of emphasis is given on right to education. Article 13 say that government should ensure right to education to every being, and primary education should be compulsorily free under Article 13. There is one more emphasis on right to education. The state, those have not planned so far right to education, should declare at the earliest this right, because this is very very important article. If citizens are educated, they can take care of other rights themselves also. So state, those have not planned, should declare right to education at the earliest under Article 14. So we have seen economical and social right, most of the things. So now only one right is left on. Which one? The last is cultural. Culture. Article 15 being last human right on this convention is on culture part. So every human being has right to preserve his or her culture and to get benefit out of its culture. So this is under Article 15. So we cover almost all the article. Now let us quickly recap these articles, and here you have to help me. I will be displaying picture, and just you recall after seeing the picture which right it refers to. The first one, yes, right to choose or right to self-determination. Next picture under Article 2, promote. The state to promote these rights under Article 2. Men and women have equal right. That there is no discrimination under Article 3 for men and women on any ground. Restriction, reasonable restriction by state only for public welfare ground. Article 5, no misuse or abuse of these right by anybody. Good. This picture, work, very good. Right to work and choose employment. And what should be after work? Holiday or rest. Yes, right to leave or holiday. And you cannot keep continuing work, and if you are not getting this welfare, you have right to make association or union under Article 8 if proper welfare or proper compensation is not given for your work, and for leave is not paid. Under Article 8 right to make union. This is about, yes, insurance means social security under Article 9. Family, very good, right to family. And then all should have access to food, right to food or freedom from hunger. Then, yes, you should have sound health, both mental and physical, right to health under Article 12. Yes, right to education, the most important right, right to education, and primary education should be free. More emphasis even under Article 14. State, those have not planned this right should plan at the earliest, and then declare right to education and primary education free. And the last one is culture, right to preserve culture and get benefit because of the culture. So we covered all 15 articles of this convention. I hope that you get a clarity that how you can remember this. You can see this picture and relate the highlighted word, and then you can recall logically. You can take a screenshot of this last slide. This will help you to recap again. Please tell us how you like this video and provide your comments, and please subscribe and share with your friends for their benefit as well. Thank you very much.